Hello dear students, good morning. Welcome to live session. This is the what we can do today is we'll go chapter wise quick revision. Because of some technical issues I couldn't go live from my software. So what I do now, I'll start with without wasting much time. I'll start with the unit AP. So you can take a note, start writing all these important formulas. Without knowing the formulas, you cannot solve any problem. See the general form of arithmetic progression. So you can make a note of all this formula. The general form of arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. The general form of arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 3D, and so on. And what is A here? A is the first term. D is the common difference. A is the first term and D is the common difference. The common difference is given by difference of any two consecutive terms. For example, if A1, 2, A3, A4 are the list of numbers are in AP, then D equals what? A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2. Difference of any two consecutive numbers, will get what? The common difference. For example, take 5, 7, 9, so on. Now, the common difference is what? 7 minus 5 equals what? 2. Or 9 minus 7 equals 2. This is how we find out the common difference. Make a note. The general form of AP is what? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus C. Based on this, you can expect one question. Next, the nth term of an AP is given by the formula AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. For example, in an AP, for example, A1, A2, A3 and so on, if we need to find out any term, knowing what the first term and the common difference, you can find out any term. For example, if you want to find out 100 term, is n by what? 100. A 100 equals A plus n minus 1 is what? That is 100 minus 1 is 99. D. The same if you want to find out the 58th term, A50 equals A49D. After that you can substitute the values of A and D, you will get the value of the 58th term. Now make a note of this formula. The nth term of an AP is given by the formula AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. Based on the nth term, definitely you can expect 2 or 4 mark question, application question based on the sum of n terms. Dear students, and also the sum of the AP, if you want to find out the sum of n terms of an AP is given by the formula Sm equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The sum of n terms of an AP is given by the formula Sm equals n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Dear students, make a note of all this formula. I have listed on all formulas in the sheet. This I can share it in my Telegram group. You can download it from there. The sum of n terms of an AP is given by what? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And also the sum of natural numbers, the sum of n natural numbers is given by the formula Sn equals n into n plus 1 by 2. For the sum of natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to find the sum of 20 natural numbers, you replace n by 20, you get sum of 20 natural numbers. If you know the last term, then sum can be written by Sn equals n by 2 a plus an. Based on this, you can expect 2 mark. Based on these questions, you can expect 1 mark question. Based on finding the sum of n natural numbers, or directly they can write the formula. The sum of n terms of an AP is given by the formula by 2 into a plus n minus 1 into t. Sum of n natural numbers, Sn equals n into n plus 1 by 2, and the sum of n terms of an AP, if the last term is given, an is what the last term, or you can replace an by n, then Sn equals n by 2 a plus an. Now, sum of n odd numbers. The same way, sum of n even numbers. Sum of n odd numbers is given by n square. Sum of n odd numbers is what? N square. The sum of n even numbers is n into n. If you want to find the sum of 10 odd numbers, that means 10 square. What you get is 100. The same is sum of 10 even numbers. Replace 10 by what? N by 10. 10 into 10 plus 1. That is 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 10s are 110. The sum of 10 even numbers is 110. Sum of 10 odd numbers. You can find out sum of 5 odd numbers. That is just replace n by 5. What is 5 square? What you get 25. The same way 5 even numbers. That is 5 into 5 plus 1. 6 5s are 30. The sum of 5 even numbers is 30. Sum of 5 odd numbers is what? 25. So these are very important relations. It will be asked in the examination. These are the formulas you should learn from the unit arithmetic progression. And also, dear students, from the arithmetic progression, you can expect one mark question in the MCQ and also one mark question in the short answers, and 2 mark one question, and definitely 4 mark question, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total you can expect around 8 marks from the unit AP. Now, what I do, I will start with the unit pair of linear equations in 2 variables. A pair of linear equations in 2 variables. So you can expect what is the standard form of a pair of linear equations in 2 variables. That is, you can make a note a1x plus b1 by a1x plus b1 by c1 0 and a2x plus b2y plus C2 equals to 0. A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 are real numbers, and condition is A1, B1 should not be equal to 0. So this is standard form of a pair of linear equation in two variables. Now, a pair of linear equations can be solved in many methods. Graphical method will be asked definitely for 4-mark question, and also based on the elimination, substitution or cross multiplication, you can expect 2 mark, and based on condition of lines, you can expect 1 and 1, that is 1 in MCQ, 1 in 1-mark question, or 2-mark question. 2-mark 1 question can be asked based on condition of lines. Now we'll see. Here students, each linear equation represents a straight line, right? What are the 3 conditions for straight line? The straight line, 2 straight lines can be intersecting at a single point. 2 straight lines can be parallel, or 2 straight lines can be coincident. Is one line over the other. One line over the other. Now, if 2 lines are intersecting at a single point, how you can say that? How many solutions will be there? There will be unique solution. See, these 2 lines are intersecting at only one point. Only one point means how many solutions will be there? Unique solution will be there. Based on this condition of line, definitely you can expect the question. If the lines are parallel, it is not at all intersecting. That means no solution. When the lines are coincident, that means infinitely many number of points if they will intersect. That means the solution will be infinitely many solutions. See, when the lines are intersecting, how many unique or single solution? When the lines are parallel, no solution. When the lines are coincident, that means one line over another line. Infinitely many number of solution. Our unique solution condition is A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Intersecting unique solution, the condition is A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. When the lines are parallel, the condition is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2. For when the lines are coincident, what we can say that A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Based on this condition of lines, one MCQ or one short answer or 2-mark, one question finding the value of A based on this conditions, definitely can expect very important chapter from the examination point of view. Easily you can score around 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, 6 and around 8 marks you can easily score. Before at least the state level preparatory exam or after the state level preparatory exam, that is very important from the examination point of view. Model paper released by the SSLC board plus the state level preparatory paper, these are very important from the examination point of view because the same pattern will be as in the board examination. So those who revise the model papers and state level preparatory paper definitely can score good marks. And also students, I posted the key answers for model paper. Definitely you should check it and try to solve that paper. Try to revise the same paper again and again until you score 80 out of this model paper. Try to study so that you should learn all the concepts and try to write the test again and again on the model paper and try to score 80 out of 80. That means you should learn all the concepts that from model paper and also state level. Because of some technical issue, I couldn't go live from my software, so I've come live. Yesterday it was a Republic Day. We are making it busy, so I couldn't come live. Few of the students had texted me that the voice is not much audible. Now we'll do revision. I'm doing important revision, that means from which chapter we can expect easy questions and more marks. Now, quadratic equation. The first quadratic equation. The first 1 mark question will be asked what? Based on the standard form of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Write the standard form of quadratic equation. Again, it is a 1 mark question. What is the standard form of quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx equals to 0. The condition is a is not equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. The condition is a is not equal to 0. And also you can solve quadratic equation by factorization method, completing the square method, and quadratic formula method. Quadratic formula method by quadratic formula method, which is a very important 2 mark question. That is, you can solve quadratic equation by quadratic formula x equals minus b plus r minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2e. Repeat, you can repeat the formula x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. And also, dear students, completing the square method, they have asked in the model paper. You can solve few simple questions. No need to fear. You can learn any concept. Just what you need to do is you should practice. Now, the discriminant of quadratic equation is what? B square minus 4ac. Discriminant delta equals b square minus 4ac. See, if you learn all this, definitely if you write all the formulas for each and every question in the textbook, definitely there itself minimum half marks will be confirmed. So many of the students, they are told that they find difficulty in trigonometry and surface areas and all. The first thing what you can do to solve the question in this chapter is learn all the formulas, that means the ratios, complementary relation, standard angles, and identity. If you learn at least the formula, at least your half marks or 1 marks will be confirmed. Minimum, I am saying minimum half or 1 marks will be confirmed. So same questions will be asked in 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark. At least if you write formulas in 1 mark and 3 mark and 2 mark, at least half marks will be confirmed. Surface areas and volumes. First you should learn all the formulas. Without knowing the formulas, you cannot solve the problems. Now, delta equals what? B square minus 4ac. When b square minus 4, delta is equal to 0, delta is greater than 0, delta is lesser than 0. These are the key conditions. When delta equals 0, 2 equal roots. 2 equal roots. When delta is greater than 0, that means the roots are distinct. The real and distinct. If delta is less than 0, it is not. Roots are not real. Roots are not real. That is, it is imaginary. See, based on this Concepts definitely can be based on standard form of finding the roots of the product. Then one root is given, finding out other root, or finding the value of k when one of the root is given, and finding the roots of the quadratic equation by formula. That is also very important. Based on this condition of the discriminant, you can expect 2 mark question, and from this chapter you can expect statement question for 3 mark. Definite statement problem. Hardly few problems are there in the textbook. Keep on solving all those questions definitely. Dear students, I will share a formula sheet in my Telegram group. What you should do is take a print out and at least per day try to learn all the chapters and all the formulas from all the chapters. Without knowing the formulas, you cannot solve any question. So what I can do is I can see based on the areas related to circle, you can expect 3 or 4 mark application questions. We can revise academic progression. Then from the triangles, what you should become perfect. Many of the students have asked what to learn from the unit triangles. So what you can do is first concentrate on theorems. 4, 5, definitely the theorem will be asked. This is the flow you should learn. You should learn theorems from the unit triangles, then statement of each and every theorem. That is state Thales theorem, state Pythagoras theorem, then converse of Pythagoras theorem. All the statement if you learn, there itself you can expect 1 mark statements. Then problems on Thales theorem. Problems of Thales theorem, if you ask for 1 mark, 2 mark, maximum 1 or 2 mark, the same way, based on problems on Pythagoras theorem. Again, you can expect it for 1 mark or 2 mark based on what? The Pythagoras theorem. If here the theorem is asked in theorems, that means you can expect based on Pythagoras theorem. If the Pythagoras theorem is asked, you can expect question on Thales theorem, and also important based on areas of triangle. Based on areas of triangle, definitely 1 or 2 mark question. When the sides is given, you should find out the ratio of the areas. If the ratios of the areas are given, you should find out the ratios of the side. This is the flow you should learn, and also in the model paper they have asked based on corners of Pythagoras theorem, you can solve the question. So this is the flow you should learn. Then after you learn everything, all the 15 chapters perfectly, then you can solve additional question from this unit. This is the flow you should go without very much to go with theorem. 4 or 5 marks will become from next statement. Then problems, simple problem based on Thales theorem, that is basic proportionality theorem. The sides will be in proportion based on the 1 or 2 mark question will be asked. Based on Pythagoras theorem. Some proving problem will be there for 2 marks. Then the questions related to areas of triangle. These are the important concepts you should learn first. Minimum you should learn, then you can pick the other chapters. Dear students, today you should learn, at least it is a feeling difficult in will solve median question from any question paper. Median solving the median of group data from any question paper, and also solution of a linear equation by graphical method. At any cost, try to learn this. Posted videos on this in details. You can take help from your teacher without any hesitation. Go to your teacher and tell your teacher to teach median graphic. If you have not learn median graphical method, and importantly constructions. 3 plus 2. It is 5 marks constructions. Construction of cylinder triangles and construction of tangents to a circle. So this is 3 concepts you should must learn today, and also you will revise all these formulas. Dear students, thank you for attending today's session. Hopefully this session was useful, and also science, I'll try to revise chapter wise revision so that it will be very useful to you. Today I couldn't do science clear because I prepared the key solutions in my desktop. Because of the terms I couldn't go live from the software. So I tried to revise all this formulas will be very important. I'll be sharing the formula sheet in the group. Do take the printout. At least learn formulas from two chapters per day. At least within 6 days, try to learn all the formulas. So students, thank you for attending the lecture. If you are not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe the channel.